Hi guys, it's Susie from the library. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little crate. It's not super sturdy, but it's pretty cute. And so for this craft, what I'm using is I got 16 paint sticks from Home Hardware. 8 of them are going to be the regular length and 8 of them I'm going to cut shorter. I got this piece of wood from Home Hardware. I'm going to be cutting up to hold the pieces together. And then I got stain and something to stain with, and a staple gun to hold it all together. So if you're like me and your fiance won't let you use power tools because they think you're going to cut off all your fingers, even though you're not that clumsy, you're going to measure out. I measured mine out to 8 inches for my short side. And then I'm going to measure this, I think 8 as well. And that'll be my corner pieces to hold it. And then I'll give it to my boyfriend to cut for me because I'm not allowed to use the power tools. Thanks! So once you're done cutting, you'll have these 4 pieces for your corners to kind of give it some support. You'll have 8 smaller pieces and 8 longer pieces. And I totally forgot, you'll need 4 more of the longer ones for the bottom because gotta have a bottom. So our next step is going to be to stain. You don't have to stain if you don't want to. You can leave it the natural color. You could also paint it. I just want to use stain because I think it'll give it a nice look. But yeah, if you do use stain, make sure you wear gloves so you don't stain your hands. Well-ventilated area. Be safe. So after you have it all stained or painted, or if you just want to leave it plain, the next step we're going to do is we're going to put it all together. So now, using our staple gun, we are going to put our long piece and our short piece together. And then we're going to put this in the corner. And we're going to staple it to this piece just to give it support. So I got all of the corners in together. I'm finding that my staple gun isn't really working the best, so I might just have to try and pound those in later. But yeah, once I get this finished, all the sides, then I can do the other little slats and then put on the bottom. So I ended up using wood glue for the bottom because every time I try to staple it, it would just destroy it. Yeah. But yeah, so that's the little crate. It didn't turn out as good as I thought, but it's still pretty cute.